Hey everybody, this is Ryan and Karen coming to you live on Facebook and Instagram today with a super fun tutorial. So as you should know, if you don't know, we're going to tell you, but this month in our subscription box, we have our amazing Princess Potions collection for you guys. Yeah. And so we're here with Karen, our God Oil Supplies Certified Aromatherapist, and she is going to kind of explain a little bit about our Princess Potions collection, and we're going to do a quick tutorial and talk a little bit about essential oil blends for kids and how to use them and what is safe and whatnot. So we appreciate everyone that is watching us live, and so if you are watching us live, always like, comment. If you have any questions, let us know, and share this video with your friends, neighbors, your business groups. Let everyone know, because essential oils, when we use them with kids, it is important that we know exactly what we're doing.
Yeah, diluting is important. Knowing what oils are safe to use on them are important. Lucky for you, with these Princess Potions, all the oils that were selected for the blends are kid safe and are, and it's done at a 2% dilution so that it's ready for easy application, strong enough to be effective, but low enough to be safe for your kids. So today, I thought we would do Breathe Breanna.
And she is this one right here. So this is Breathe Breanna. I'm going to hold this up a little closer because I want you guys to see how awesome these labels are. Can you guys see that one? So we have these beautiful, clear, essential oil proof labels for you guys. And they also come with these little lid stickers on top. So, yep. So this one's Breathe Breanna. So when would you use Breathe Breanna?
So Breathe Breanna is for any time you just need to clear the airways. So that could be when, in winter there's inversions, you get a little, air quality can be rough, and that's a time that you can use it for your kids. You can use it if you have some allergies, even if you're trying to get over a cold or a cough. So those are, or the first signs of some of those distress. I always like to put the label on first when I'm creating my blends. That way I don't get confused if I'm making a couple blends, that I put it in the right one.
Good point.
And it also just, my hands don't have essential oils or any kind of carrier oil on it, so it doesn't affect the stickiness. So that's our first step.
Label, first step, check. Got it.
We have these great dilution lid stickers. There's a section for diluted, non-diluted, 1%, 2%, 3, 5, 10, and 20. I like to put these on as well. That way I know later on. I think I'm going to have a good memory and remember later, but most likely I will not. So 2%, I'm going to put it right on the back of it so I remember later.
And it's also good. That way if anyone asks you, it's like, okay, this is for kids. What dilution do you have this at? You have that lid sticker right on the back.
You have it ready. Then you'd like to use this key to pop the top off. There we go.
Yeah, and the keys are really important because you do not want your roller bottle blends to leak. And so if you use the keys to take off and take the insert out and then put it back on, it'll make it last a whole lot longer.
Yeah, they really do. Okay, so then I like to start with the essential oil drops. That way, two reasons. You always have room to put the carrier oil, and you don't forget, if you put the carrier oil in first and put the drops, you might spill over. So the essential oils are the important part. So that goes first. So this Breathe Breanna uses melaleuca, frankincense, and cedarwood, 2 drops of each. So that's going to be 6 drops of essential oil to 2 teaspoons of carrier oil.
Which gives us the 2% dilution. Perfect. So just to reiterate, it was melaleuca, frankincense, and cedarwood. All safe for kids 2 years and older?
Correct.
Okay.
So let me just do this real quick.
So just remember that. So if you have toddlers that are 2 years older, these recipes right here will be absolutely safe for them.
Younger, you can do a lower percentage, 0.5 or 1%. Just take that. A lot of times the percentage has to do, they have small bodies and they have a small body weight, and they're not big people. So the amount of oil that's good for you just does not equal to what's good for them. For the carrier oil, I like to use a funnel so I can just avoid as much mess as possible. Let's hopefully we'll do that.
And you, when you subscribe, and every single one of our subscription boxes, we always include a plastic funnel for you to use, because you definitely don't want to have any messes when you're making your blends.
You're going to fill this right up to the collar. That's about 2 teaspoons. That's exactly what you need. Then the other reason I like to put the essential oils first and then put the carrier oil on top, because it starts the blending process. So I'm going to use the key. Now, this portion I use to lift. This circular portion you put it on to push it into place. So it's all locked in, ready to go.
Perfect.
Now we have these cute brushed colored lids that go along with these.
Awesome lids. So, and these lids are a brand new product, God Oil Supplies. They are only available inside the subscription box this month. So if you're not one of our subscribers, click the link in this video and go check out our January subscription box.
Yeah. So then, give it a little shake. It's ready to use, but you're gonna notice that the scent that you detect now will change over time, because as the oils blend and melt together, they change and take on their own scent profile as they blend together. But it's ready to use right away. So one thing I wanted to remind people that oftentimes for breathing blends, you're going to see peppermint and eucalyptus used for adult blends. That's not recommended for children. Eucalyptus and peppermint have constituents in it that just tend not to be safe for, and actually cause labored breathing for some children, and have had some negative consequences that way. So one cool thing about this blend is it has cedarwood. Cedarwood is my go-to oil to use for children when I want to use for a respiratory blend. And so if there's an adult blend out there that you notice uses eucalyptus or peppermint, you can just replace it with cedarwood. And then you just made it kid safe.
Well, that's perfect. So let's just say my son or daughter needed to use this roller bottle blend right here. Where and how would they apply it? Like how much?
Good question. So it's ready to go. So you can roll it on the chest, and actually on the back of the child's where your lungs are, back there as well. So those 2 places.
So chest on the back where the lungs are. Perfect. That's good to know.
Mm-hmm. There you go. And then let's see. There was something else I wanted to tell you. I think it was just kind of reiterate the 2% dilution, just how important that is. A lot of times, here you see 10, 20% or putting it on neat just without any carrier oil at all. That when you put it on neat, it's just especially for the chest, it's just not absorbing into the skin. So it's evaporating. You're losing that oil to evaporation. So you just definitely want to make sure that it's the carrier oils on there to help with that, and that you're helping, and that the dilution's not too high. But if you ever chose to do a dilution that was high, it's for a short period of time, and only use it like 1 or 2 times at that time. Okay?
Well, that's good to know. So always dilute.
Yeah.
Especially with kids.
Yes.
Always dilute, especially with kids. And if you did not know, we're in the process of rolling out God Oil Supplies subscription group, where if you're one of our amazing subscribers, we're working on getting all of our subscribers inside of our brand new God Oil Supplies group, where you'll actually have access to Karen, where you can ask her more specific questions, because a lot of us with kids, a lot of us that are new to essential oils, we have questions, and it's just a great resource to have Karen here with us at God Oil Supplies. It is amazing to have a certified aromatherapist at our fingertips. All you got to do is send us a message, and we can reply to your questions and give you advice and help you educate yourself with essential oils.
Yeah.
So
as you get educated, and if you have questions, you can always pass it down to your downline. It just helps everybody, raise our game and be better. So.
That's right, because essential oils are great, but we need to know how to use them properly. Mm-hmm. And so here at God Oil Supplies, we are constantly working at bringing you guys the best essential oil content at the best prices. And so if you are not one of our subscribers, please go to godoilsupplies.com. Check out our subscription box. Check out this Princess Potion collection, which is absolutely gorgeous, if you have little girls, they are going to love using these essential oil blends. And so I'd like to thank again everyone for using or watching us on Instagram and Facebook. And again, just remember, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, we are always available. Phone, email, send us a message, because we are here for you guys. So again, thanks for watching us. Until next week, everyone, have a good one.